Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to connect Canva with N8N. So friends, go to create a new workflow and then click on first step. From here search for HTTP this request. This is the only way, guys. And from here click get option. From URL, guys, you should be get your design URL from Canva, guys. For example, this URL. And then, guys, for the non-click credentials type, and then from this select type or withdraw this APA, and then click new credential. And from here, guys, you should be client ID and client secrets. You should be get from APA Canva. After that, you come with APA Canva. You can get client ID and your unique client ID, and then your you need to get your secrets ID and click save. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and share this video for more content, and see you on other videos.